Hey guys, it's Adam again, and today we are going to do another sort of like coverage. I don't even know if it's a restaurant, but it's some sort of an office, medical office or something. I don't even think it's a medical office. But anyways, I'll let you know what this is. I have to check in the architectural drawing or whatever. Um, so I just started. I said I'll just make the video and go ahead with this. So this is the job right here. This is a drainage. It should be slab on grade, so we're gonna do it that way. And now I'm just gonna do a takeoff, and it might help you, right? Just one more takeoff video that we're gonna do. So I set it up. I'm starting with underground drain. I did a little bit, but then I stopped. So I'll just let you know. Um, yeah. So far we are here. 4-inch pipe, 4 by 3 inch reducer adapter, then made it into 3 inch. Continuing over here. I'm gonna put some music on. 45, 4 by 2 inch, so another Y, 4 by 2 inch, 2 inch, 45. I like to put 45 and a 90. The reason is in case you want to put a 45, you can always bring it to the position, so that's why we do that. Then it's 4 by 3, 3 inch, 3 inch again, 45, 3 inch trap, 2 feet of riser, and a floor lid, 3 inch. Beautiful. That completes this. We keep following here. So I'm not gonna take two, I'm just gonna take one. Underground, I'm just gonna take this one. 4 by 2 inch. So this floor drain, I can wet vent this. So I can wet vent this toilet, and this thing. I can do it all in three. I can wet vent this with this. So let's do it that way, okay? So let me just change all this. Wet venting is something that a plumbing can do to avoid more vents. So we're gonna remove this, right? I'm gonna show you how we do the wet vent. So this is a 4 inch. This is a 3 inch. So this is a 3 inch floor drain and its fittings. Now I'm gonna wet vent this floor drain. So when you have to wet vent, you cannot take the vent from here. You see how I have to take it from this. This is called the branch fixture drain. This is called the branch drain. Why is it called the branch drain? Because now a lot of fixtures are connected. For example, this is called the branch drain. This is the branch drain. So let me mark the branch drain in one color. Okay. So let me just make it very simple. Hold on. Let me just explain you something. So at least that way, when you guys are doing it, at least it makes sense, right? It's a branch drain. This is a branch drain. Sorry. This is a fixture drain. These are all fixture drains. And as soon as this gets connected to this becomes a fixture drain. Sorry. The blue is the fixture drain. The red is the branch drain because everything is connecting to it. So in plumbing, when you're taking venting for something, you cannot take it from the branch drain. You have to take it from the fixture drain, and that's why what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna take a 3 by 2 inch Y here. This is good because it'll help me with the takeoff. 2 inch 40. So now I'm gonna make a 2 inch wire pipe. So 2 inch pipe is gonna go this way, and then it can go this way. Or what you can do, very simple. You can, to avoid less trenching, you can just extend this straight here. But wait, if I do that, yeah, no. So I'm not gonna extend. I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna go here, and 2 inch 45 right here, 2 inch 90 here, 2 inch riser right here. Now this is my flow drain, and I wet vented it. Now I'm gonna continue here, and I'm gonna show you how I can wet vent the rest of the stuff. So I'm gonna get a 4 inch Y. No, I don't need it here anymore. I need it here actually. So I'm gonna do that. And what I'm gonna do is I am going to show you 4 by 3 inch, 4 by 3. Now everything becomes 3 inch. 3 by 2 inch Y, 3 inch Y actually, 3 inch Y first. Did I do that already, right? Yeah, yeah. No, I didn't do that yet. So it's this. I'm gonna put a 3 inch Y right here. Then this becomes 3 inch, right? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a 3 by 2 inch Y here. This 2 inch will then go straight here. I'll put a 45 in case I need it, and I'll put a 90. This helps you with material and everything. It doesn't cost that much. It doesn't add to the value too much. And if it does, you save it. Well, no matter what fit, if you just follow the fittings that they tell you in this drawing, you're gonna need at least 20% or more fittings because of offset, side conditions, stuff like that. You know what I mean? So now since I have I have two locations where it's gonna come and it's gonna help me later. So this is something I started doing it recently, where I will just go and mark this. I'll just go and mark this. These are the locations where the pipes are coming up. So it'll help me when I start a new one like this. It will help me where it's coming up, and it'll make me make my job. I won't make mistakes over there. So this pipe that's for the sink here. I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. Now, why did I bring it like that? The reason is because to wet vent a three-piece, one, two, and three. We're gonna talk more about this when I make another video about wet venting and stuff. But for the sake of estimation, uh, uh, estimators can follow this drawings. They don't have to really do the way I'm doing it, because it requires a little bit of a plumbing knowledge. But what it does is that for material takeoff, everything is exact. You don't have to redo it again, so it just saves you a lot of time. That's all. Another thing what we need to do is now 3 inches here, 3 by 2 inches here. So let me just continue this. And 3 inch trap, 3 inch riser, floor drain, and you can just copy paste this too, but just whatever. And pretty much then that's it. Take this straight up, riser, clean out. Sorry, not clean out, toilet flange. So that's done. So this is done. I wet vented the toilet, the floor drain, and the sink together. And instead of me giving them individual vents, I can use one vent for everything. Now a sink is always, now this is in the floor, this is in the floor, but sink is never in the floor. Sink is always in the wall for 99% of the time, unless it's an island sink or whatever, some issue you can't bring it in the wall. So long story short, you need to have a vent here. Always behind the sink, you're gonna have a vent. So that's why we do it this way. Now, what happens is, the rule is this is my line, right? This is my branch, so I have to take it from the branch of the 3 by 2. I cannot put a 3 by 2 here. If I put a 3 by 2 here, this will be covered, but I need to put a vent for this one. So very simple. This way, and then you just take it from here. This is your toilet, this is your sink, this is your floor bed. Okay. So we are done here. Let me just verify it. Everything is good. Same thing with this one, right? Same thing with this one. So you can see if now you see how there's another plumbing here. So if I do it this way, the way it is, I will have to put additional vent over here for this one and additional vent for here for this one. So I'm not gonna do it this way. How am I gonna do it? I'm gonna show you now. So I took this Y branch, right? And from here I'm gonna take 3-inch Y, so it's coming straight, and then I'll take a 3-inch pipe going like this, 3-inch pipe going like that. I'll take a again. This is your branch drain. This is your fixture drain. So I'm taking it for my fixture drain, and I'm bringing a 3-inch pipe. Now I'm gonna put a 3-inch Y. So 3-inch Y for the floor drain, and I'm gonna give it a wide. Reason I need to use 3x2 is flush adapter because I'm not using the branch side of the 2-inch. I'm using the back side of the Y. So that's why I use a reducer now to the back side. This the branch is going to be 3-inch. I'm going to give you uh, street 45, which is right here, and then 3-inch trap. Since it's not on the pipe, it's not going to follow me. I'll have to everything do manually, but it's okay. Forward in 3 inches. That's done. Now I have um, connected this to this. Now this is 2-inch up here. So I'm gonna go take this and I can always put one more fixture in there. Yes, so I'm fine. I'm fine. 3x2 reduce to this is this. 2-inch pipe coming up straight into a 45, into a 90, and beautiful. And I do this because I'm gonna be the sink's gonna come here. So I did not put for something for this. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna put the sink connection in the wall. I did that, beautiful. Now, so this, and this is all wet vented, and everything is finished. Now all the takeoff is finished. Now I'm gonna travel this more further down here, and I'm gonna connect this one right here. So I'm gonna go back to my branch drain, not fixture drain. So it's 4-inch here. This is 4-inch, and I'm gonna continue, ignore all that, and come and connect put a Y here. Now why isn't it giving me the connection? What's happening? Let me see. This is what is that? It's a Y. So yeah, we are right. I'm just gonna go from here, go all the way here, and now, okay. So now there's two ways to do this one. Now this is a very nice one. It's a good example for you guys. Um, I put a 4-inch Y right here, right? And I can do a 3x4x2-inch. I can do it this way. Why I can do it this way? I just told you a little bit before. I just told you a little bit before that this is a branch drain and this is a fixture outlet drain, right? This is a fixture drain, this is a branch drain. The reason I can do this here, this way, is because there is no more fixtures here. This is a cleanup. But let's say if there was a toilet here, or if this line was going and connecting to a washroom here and a here, then I couldn't have done it this way. Then this would fail in plumbing code. This would fail. So the takeoff would be wrong. The estimation would be wrong. So because this branch is not connecting downstream, like how, for example, I could have done it same thing here. I could have followed this line here if this washroom wasn't there. Then it wouldn't be perfect. But because of this washroom, I had to do it this way from the fixture drain. From the fixture drain. Now I'm in this situation here where there is no more further washrooms. So I have two options to do it. I can do it exactly like the drawing. And I'm gonna first I'm gonna do the other one just so that it's easier for you. Okay. Let's say that if there was a washroom here, how would I have done this one? I would have done it this way. I would have brought it till here, 4 by 2 inch, no, 4 by 3 actually, right? I'll bring it till here, 4 by 3, and 3 by 2 right here, 3 inch 45, 3 inch 90, 3 inch riser, water closet. Oh, sorry, I'm not there yet. Water closet flange, and this is my 2 inch Y. So I'm gonna put a 2 inch. First, I'm gonna make the pipe. So I'm gonna go right. Now, why did I do it this way instead of the other way? I'm gonna show you why. So I'm not gonna do it that way right here. So because when you do the trenching, right? You have to think about trenching too. It's not about that. It's about concrete cutting. Yes, it looks very nice and funny in the in the estimation here, but you got to think about trenching too. So what? And for that, for the toilet, you have to do the trenching anyways. You have to do the trenching anyway. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna bring it up like this, right? I'm gonna put a 45 right here, and then I'm gonna bring a pipe like this, and I'm gonna put a 90 here. And why I did it this way instead of the other way, it's only because of the fact when I do my trenching, for example, if I do my trenching and I tell this is my trenching, right? For my for water closet, I could bring everything in this wall. So now imagine this. If I had to do it the other way, I would have had to done this, do this. So now imagine this is more or that's more. So you save a little bit over here by doing that. Again, like I said, it's more plumbing. You better estimate better because you estimate a little bit more. If you get the job, at least you don't lose. But I do it this way. Okay. So for that's done. As everything is finished. Now I have a floor in. The rule with the clean out is whatever the size of the pipe is, you cannot reduce the clean out. You just can't do it. So that's very important thing that you have to remember. So it's a 4 inch thing, 4 inch everything. Let me just verify this is 4 inch. It is 4 inch. You can see it right here. It's 4 inch. That's beautiful. Now I'm gonna go a riser, clean out, and I am done. So this is completed. That's completed. That's completed. Now I'm gonna go here. So here we're gonna start with this section over here. I'm gonna look at it. Here you have two floor drains. So this is what I'm gonna do for this floor drain. Okay. I put another 45 here in case if I wanna the Y is horizontal with the 45. If I raise it 45 degrees, I can raise. So this elevation and this elevation is different. See, I'm connecting to an existing. So I shouldn't even do this actually because so this pipe will be really low. It could be 6 feet, 7 feet. So I don't want to dig this 6 feet, 7 feet too. So what I'll do is I will increase it like this. I'll show you how I'll do it. For example, if I just make what I'm going to try to do. So let's say this is the elevation drawing. This is the existing pipe that's going like this. You know what? Okay. So let's say the slope is this way. So if I'm going to put a Y, it means I'm going to put a Y like this. So this is my new plumbing. Now, if I have to bring it straight, so this will be the elevation view and this will be the top view, for example, right? Like that. But the reality is this is the elevation drawing. So this is the existing pipe. I'm gonna raise this with a 45. So sorry, I don't want to make the 45. I just want to show you. So this is the thing, and then it's gonna go up straight like that. And here is gonna be the clean out. And here I'll make another Y like this and 45. So let's say this is for Y and 45A. This is Y and 45B, and you can see that this elevation will be much higher than this. I can set it to any height I want. So I can move this, the whole thing that we see here and here. We can move it up and down. And this is the cleaner. So this is what I'm gonna do over here. Y, I'll get two couplings. I'm gonna put two couplings, but you need rubber couplings here actually. I don't know if there's a rubber coupling section here. I gotta make one. So 45. I can use street 45. You always have issue with space there. So why you wanna dig more? So street 45 should be here. Street 45. This is Y and a 45A. So it's basically this one I just made. Now I'm gonna make this one. So I'm gonna get a riser 2 feet, and then I put another Y, another street 45. Second. Okay, so we'll continue. Last we did was pipe coupling. We need to put another 4-inch Y. See, remember this? Yeah, it says 4-inch, but it could be 6-inch. But let's go with 4. 4-inch Y, 4-inch. My clean out riser. Yep. Floor clean out. The reason we're putting a clean out eh, is because anytime you change in direction, you gotta put a clean out. This 45 is done, but let's do that again. So here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this. 4-inch Y. I'm just gonna increase this. Okay, so we're back. Over here. This is a 4-inch Y. I'll extend this over here. 4 by 3-inch reducer. 4 by 3-inch reducer. 3-inch 45 and a 3-inch 90. Riser, toilet flange, 4-inch Y again. 4-inch Y. Is this a 4-inch pipe? Yes, it is. I'm just gonna extend it here. 4 by 3, one side. Yeah, 4 by 3. 3-inch pipe will go this way. Three-inch pipe will actually go this way. Actually. 3 inch, 3 by 2 inch Y, 3 inch 45, 3 inch trap, riser. No, 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 no. I'm gonna do something else. Yes, yes. This is what I was gonna do. So I'm gonna put a 4 inch Y here. I'm gonna make it much better. 4 inch Y here. 4 by 3 inch adapter. 3 inch Y. 3 inch pipe here. 3 by 2 inch Y here. 2 inch 45 street 45. 2 inch by 2 inch this. So this goes here, and this is still not there. So what I'm gonna do is I will then gang trap it. So this 3 inch, I will then put a vertical T, and then I'm gonna take this way, and then this way, 45, 90, vertical riser, load in, and this I gang trapped it, but because the rule is I can gang trap um I think as long as it's in the same room, and I think you if it's not in the kitchen, if it's not if so this is in the washroom and it's in the same room, so I can gang trap it. The reason for gang trap is I don't have to put two traps. I can just use this trap. Have just there's no trap here. 90 and bring it up and just put the floor in, and then it's actually really helpful for some areas, especially for showers. You can just gang trap multiple showers. It's good for that kind of stuff. So anyway, so we have done. You can see it's a little bit different from there, but it's gonna help us if we do get the job. So this completes your underground plumbing for this place. Again, I forgot, but I have stuff coming up from here. So in the walls, so I'm gonna do that. Actually, it's really skinny. I'm gonna change its thickness. Yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. So everything is pretty much done. Now we move to wall plumbing, and we'll show that in the next video.